Hi everyone, welcome back. Long time no see. Happy August 1st. So I wanted to give you guys an early fall decorating video. I actually haven't even went to the stores at all and bought any fall decor this year. But, well, kind of. I did buy a few things, but I found them at an antique store, which I'll tell you about later. But I just wanted to get all my decor out and figure out what I would need to finish decorating the rest of the house. I may redecorate this living room again this fall season because it's still early. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna show you what all I did here in our living room. Okay guys, so as you walk into my front living room, this is what you see. Now I am turning this room just into a sitting room. I'm currently looking on Facebook Marketplace for another one of these IKEA sitting chairs, and I want to just put two right here and then maybe move this big one just under this window or in our bedroom. I think it'll just be really nice to just have two sitting chairs now that we have our back living room, which I will be sharing soon. And you may hear my kids playing, they're just in the other room. Now when I step back, here's an overall look. So I did blow out those candles. It was just making me nervous, guys. I probably just, I probably won't. I'm just afraid of it like getting too hot for these shelves above it. I still think it's just as pretty not lit. So just let me know what you guys think. Okay, so moving over here. Now you guys, the only thing that I bought that's new are just a couple cheap bottles, amber glass bottles. I already had these candlesticks from Hobby Lobby last year and these prints. Now the prints were free, but I had to pay to have them printed, but it was so inexpensive. And I got them on Walgreens with coupons. This all basically cost me nothing. If I didn't love fall decor, I'd probably just leave it at this and not have to buy any new decor for this front room, but knowing me, I'll probably go and find some stuff and change things up. But that is all I have over here are just a bunch of antique books, a few of my actual books, like right here. You can see which ones are new, like these ones, and which ones are old, but I bought a few new old antique books. Some of them were only like $1, $2 each, and you have to be careful with antique books because sometimes you'll look at the tag and it'll be like 20 bucks for one book or even more. So just keep your eye out for cheap ones and then you can decorate with them for such a good deal. Now last year I did decorate for fall with these prints. That was the first time that I used fall prints to decorate, and I used like gourds, pumpkins, turkeys, pheasants. Well, this year I just wanted to keep it simple with like the leaves and some landscape. But what's cool and what ties in with the books is that all of the fall botanicals have actual book page behind it. So I'm gonna get up close and show you. Here's an up close look of the book pages. Even right here, you can see the notebook page and down here in this road. So it's just like subtle details that just make this look so perfect in my opinion. But I did already have this bottle here, and then this one was out in our shed. My son actually found that with my husband when they're out in a creek one time. So just random collection of these bottles, but I think that it looks so good with the fall colors. I'm gonna hop over to this side. Now over on this side, it's basically the exact same, just different bottles. This was one that I already had here. And then these are the prints on this side. So I love this middle one here with that brown leaf and then the book page. It just looks so cute, and I always like to match both sides together, but just have them a little bit different. And then I have these bookends that are antique finds as well. I especially love this barrel looking one, and then this was only $1 from an antique store. Here I just have a few benches, and underneath we store just blankets and pillows, and I just put some cozy pillows up here so you can sit. I would like to eventually get some custom cushions so you can sit there, especially when we just have two sitting chairs. Okay guys, and for the mantle, all I have here are some old magnolia leaf stems. I've had these for a couple years and they're just such a classic stem. I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I think here. 6. I really like the hanging over look. I did this for Christmas and Valentine's Day with our winter garland. Let me know what you think of the hanging over for the fall. I also have these leaves that I had pulled off the stem and just stuck throughout these magnolia stems, and these were also from Hobby Lobby, so I'm sure you can find both. I think they're just like classic stems that they have every year. And then let me know what you think of this drapey look right here. So I just thought it would be pretty to like swoop over, but it would be an easy fix just to place it back up. That's just what I'm sticking with for right now. And then over here, I just have like the same look, just with pillows, a basket, and some more of the plushy pumpkins. And I think those are still trendy this year. Regardless, I like them. They're comfortable, so I'm leaving them out. But I just like the neutral look. Now, it's very monochromatic, but let me know what you guys think. I could always add in more color, but right now I'm just loving the neutral look. And then a simple look for our coffee table. I just have this down-to-earth book, and I like the, you know, the brown tones, and it looks kind of like a fall stem here. So I thought that would be pretty just to lay out here. My remote's not the prettiest, but I have this Walmart tray with this amazing candle on top, and I think this is from Marshall's last year. The whole room smells like fall time. And then in here I have these Cosmos stems in this rusty color, and I would like to go back to Hobby Lobby and get more of these this year. And then this little vase I have it in is also from Hobby Lobby last year. So over here, just for this sitting chair, I just have this plaid blanket, and my cats love this blanket. They've been napping there. It's really cozy, and I just think that's nice and neutral and cozy. Now there's a really pretty black cabinet I've been looking at. You can get it on Amazon or Walmart, but it's like an arched cabinet. My plan is to get that and put it in place of this mirror, and then move this mirror to our back living room. So stay tuned for that, but it's really pretty. It's black with like wood tone shelving, and I just think that would be really nice because I love to collect Joyce Meyer books, and all of her books are usually neutral with white covers, so I'd love to fill it with those. Over here is this chair with this pillow from Marshall's, just a neutral blanket, and this chair was actually free off of Facebook Marketplace. I think it would fit really nice under our window here if I could find another sitting chair to match that other one. Here is a view from over here. And yes, guys, I still have all my summer flowers out. So outside it looks summery, and here it looks fall-like. So I went ahead and shut my front door, and I wanted to show you these really pretty hydrangeas I picked from my yard. These are always the first ones to turn. These are my incredible hydrangeas. They go from bright white to this green and brown color. So I like to decorate those with those inside. It's been like 3 or 4 years now that I've done that. But this year I used this Hobby Lobby basket that I've had. It's just a hanging basket, and I stuck them in there, and I just think that's so pretty for the inside of our door, and it helps to break up all the black and white. And moving over here, my mom actually gave this little coat rack thing to me this year, and I just think it looks really cute right here. And to make it look fall-like, I added this cute fall hat and a cozy sweater. And then moving over here, I added more hydrangeas to this green vase. So just very subtle, but still fall-like. And that is all I have for my entryway. Just a sweater, hat, and some pretty fall stems. And this mirror here is just from Hobby Lobby. And then I don't think I mentioned over here, I do have some really pretty twinkle lights throughout the garland. It's just really bright in here, so you can't really see, but it's really cozy at night. But like I said, I didn't have to buy anything other than running into these cheap bottles. I'm telling you, they were like $2 for these bottles. There was one place that I got a bunch of them for $1 each. So I had that and books, and then just fall prints, and that's all I did for this look. And I'm honestly so happy with it. If I didn't change up my decor all the time, I would probably leave it like this all fall season, but I have more fall decorating videos for you, so stay tuned. I may be changing up a bunch of stuff. I'm going to be showing you more areas in the house. So I hope that this brought you some inspiration. Alright, so that is everything for our front living room. Please let me know what you think about all of it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback, and I definitely have more fall, lots of fall video content for you coming up. So if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you never miss out on any decorating related videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.